The goal of a small independent insurance agency is to try to write as much business that comes in the door. And without having access to a lot of companies, we wouldn't be able to write everybody that comes in the door. With VIAA, since we have so many options, so many companies to choose from, we're able to quote probably 75–80% of the business that walks in, and that ultimately helps us make more money. The first benefit that VIAA provided was company access, which if you're going to start an agency from scratch, getting companies is the hardest thing, the whole process. So immediately they were able to introduce me to companies and get those direct contacts. The second thing that they were able to give me was an environment to be able to collaborate with other agents. Not only did having all these companies help us write new business, having options to move clients if premium goes up or if companies' appetites change, we have all these other companies that we can use as well to retain business. So we have a great benefit to grow by having all these companies, and we also have great retention because we have all these companies. The best thing about joining VIAA is you own your business. All that hard work, all that equity, you get to keep. It's not somebody else's equity. And after 20–30 years, you can either give it to your children, give it to another family member you're close with, or you can sell it and it's a great book of business you're gonna get a lot of money for. Looking back over 10 years, I think it was a great decision. I've made a lot of money. I've been very happy being in the business. I hear a lot of other agents complaining about losing contracts and companies putting unrealistic production expectations on them. With VIAA, it's been really nice to be able to just focus on writing business and not having to spend so much time managing company relationships. From the very first time I met Henry and Pierce in person, I knew that they cared about people and they put people first. It wasn't about money to them. It was about the success of the other people in the group, the success of me, and I knew that I was going to be good for as long as I stayed in the group.